So, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. And today's video I am going to share with you the new intro and outro and channel art in my vlog, in my YouTube channel. So anyhow, before we proceed, gusto kong mag-thank you to everyone who subscribed and supported my channel. And to those who are new, welcome of course. And if you like the content of my channel, please do consider subscribing. Only if you like. Hindi po kami namimilit. But if you like, just of course, consider subscribing. And let me show you the new outro, the new intro, and the new channel art. And 1, 2, 3.